Hello, welcome. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 2073. Time needed to buy tickets. So there are n people in a line going to buy tickets. So where the nth person is at the front of the line and the n minus 1th person is at the back of the line. So let me explain it. So for the first person, so it is at index 0. At most, it must buy 2 tickets, and the second person must buy 3 tickets, and the third person must buy 2 tickets. But for the third person, if he can only buy 1 ticket at a time. After that, this person have to go to the end of the queue. So let me simulate it, and after that, let's code it up. So first of all, we have 2, 3, and 2, and for the next step, so the first person will buy a ticket, so the ticket will become 1, but it will be at the end of the queue. So it will be 3, 2, and 1. So this is the first step. And the next, so this person currently it is at the head of the queue. So this person will buy a ticket, so it will become 2. But the next person will go to the front of the line, so it will be 2, 1, and 2. So this will be, it's similar like 3 people in a queue, and the first person can only buy 1 ticket and then go to the end of the queue, and then the next person buy a ticket and go to the next of the queue. So we can solve this problem by using a data structure called queue, because queue is first in and first out. We can simulate the buying tickets activity in a data structure, like a queue data structure, and then we can solve it. So let's first prepare the queue. So I'm gonna use a double edit queue. Then I'm gonna check the ticket. So for IT, because I need to have the index, so for IT, enumerate the tickets. I'm gonna put it inside the queue. So queue.append. So inside the first index, I'm gonna have the ticket, and the second index I'm gonna have the index. Now I have the index. Now I'm gonna prepare a counter, so the count will be 0. I'm going to count how many times I need it. So if this person, so this is the last person, if this becomes 0, I'm gonna return the count. Now I'm going to check the queue. So while queue ti should equal to queue.pop left, I'm gonna pop out at the head of the queue. So for example, the first one, it is 2, so this t is 2. If I pop it out, I have to I have to put it at the end of the queue. If I can pop out, so my count would plus equal to 1. Now I'm going to check. So if t this time more than 0, so I'm going to put it at the end of the queue. So queue.append, inside it's gonna be t minus 1, and the index would be still I. But I need to check if this t might equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, I'm gonna return my result. But if it is equal to 0, I have to check if the index equals to k or not. If it is equal to k, I can return the result. So the result would be the count. So this is the entire code. Now let me run it to check. There's something wrong. Let me check. So if this t is more than 0, I'm going to put it inside the queue. I just did it a few minutes ago. I think I should do it immediately. Let me just print out the queue to check what is wrong with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it seems that there's a 0 inside. Actually, this kind of 0 with time 0, it should not be inside the queue. That is why it is wrong. Yeah, it seems so from here I need to t should -1 first. Yeah, because here while I'm buying a ticket, so the count should +1. But this t, the current time, the current ticket, the number of the ticket should be -1. And then, if this t is more than 0, so it means there's still more ticket, so I will put it inside the queue. Otherwise, if this t just equals 0, and this I equal to k, I'm gonna return the count. Now let me run it to check. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Yeah. And before, it is like this. So if t is more than 0, so I'm gonna put it inside. But this one can be a 0. But here, it should be t minus 1 is more than 0. Yeah. But here is also t minus 1 equal to 0, because yeah, currently my ticket is t, but if I need to count 1, the t should -1. Yeah, if this t minus 1 equal to 0, and this I equal to k, I think it's the same. Yeah, as you can see, it also works. Now let me submit it to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Yeah, but for me, I think it makes more sense t should -1 first. Yeah, because if I -1 first, I've already counted by 1, and my ticket would -1. It is the current number of ticket. Yeah. Now I just need to check if this t is still more than 0. If it is more than 0, I'm gonna put it at the end of the queue, and then I'm going to check this ticket. Yeah, it might be equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, I'm gonna return the count. Now let me submit it again. Yeah, as you can see, it works. Thank you for watching. See you next time.